let's see what's inside in my travel kit. So this is my basic travel kit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gitika. So let's see what's inside in my this mini travel kit. Here I have a small clutcher. I have pretty long hair, so I need a clutcher to hold my hairs up. Next I have this cute pretty nude color lips on my lips. So I love this texture and smells so good. So the tint is also very nice or natural. Next thing I'm gonna carry is a gel based moisturizer. This is from Pond Super Hydrated Gel. And next thing I'm gonna carry is this face tissues, like in order to wipe my face. Next thing I'm gonna carry is tinted lip balm. I love this tint, or the flavor it have, like super natural. And the next thing I'm gonna carry is liquid based eyeliner pen sometimes, so I have to carry this. And then I have this rubber band, and then I am carrying a brush. I am a foodie. Obviously, if I'm carrying a brush, then I have to carry a toothpaste also. And then I have this super cute white color comb in order to brush my hairs. And then I have some mints. These are from, I don't know where from. They are from Wrinkles. I don't know. And the last but not least, I am carrying currently a face mask also, because it's like really difficult to maintain hygiene in a public space. So yeah, this is for the video. This is what all carry in my this mini chotu sa travel kit. So yes, I previously made this video what's inside in my makeup kit. You can check it out. And if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next one.